Hi guys, we had here a 2022 Kia Sorento. I'm gonna show you how to remove your quarter glass on this vehicle. But on this video, I already took it off. I'm gonna show you how to put it back, but step by step, I'm gonna show how to take it off. So behind on those airbag cover things, small clip, use a pry tool. Those are 10 mil behind it. So how they put on this quarter glass is made of butyl tape, and there is 8 millimeter bolt that holding it. Okay, guys. So again, as I said, there's 10 millimeter behind those, and then one more 10 millimeter here, one more 10 millimeter at the bottom. So where you have to yank the plastic in order to get through those 10 millimeter, and then the other cover 10 millimeter on top and 10 millimeter at the bottom.
Then once you pull this thing out and then this thing off with the clips, right there, turn there, here in the bottom, right there. So with the back panel, you have to remove this panel. There's a 10 mil here, and then once you pop this thing out using a plastic tool or yank it, and there's clips. There's one more 10 mil here and one more 10 mil here. Then you can take it off, and then you're gonna have an access on on all those 8 mil on the whole side of the quarter glass. Okay, right here. See, there's a 10 mil there. Marna.